Don't know what that means. Let's see. We'll turn it over. Here we go. So that's one of our exclusive good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching around the world. Welcome to a brand new episode from Just Another Sports Card Collector. And we have now entered the holiday season in November, where Topps have brought out the Topps Holiday Mega Box for the NBA license. So here is the box. You are to look for exclusive glitter holiday parallels, as well as there's a possibility for a autograph or relic card. It says look for the exclusive relic cards, of which one of them is Cooper Flag, whose Dallas Mavericks team is not doing very well at the start of the season. And we get 10 packs with 10 cards per box. 10 cards per pack, 10 packs per box. So let us go ahead and open this bad boy up. So I hope you enjoy these types of videos. So we also have the Topps Holiday Advent Calendar for both the basketball and the Premier League. So we'll put a couple of little stands out for our hits in inverted commas. So I've got two of these holiday mega boxes. So this one arrived a bit bashed, which is not ideal, but thankfully it seems to be in this bit, so it wouldn't have damaged the integrity of the cards. So let's do it this way. There we go. And we also got this Ace Bailey Topps rookie card, oversized die cut ornament card in there. So that interesting addition. I wonder if we get a different one in our other box, but let's go ahead and see what there is inside. So we'll put the Ace Bailey there, one side. Let's start with pack number one. So good news is we now have a Instagram page, so feel free to join that. The link will be in the description below, and we start this pack with Julius Randle of the Timberwolves, Brooklyn Nets of Ben Saraf, rookie card, Shaedon Sharpe of the Trailblazers, Cam Jones rookie card of the Indiana Pacers, Dort, so the Gwenst Dort, I think is how you pronounce it, for the Oklahoma City Thunder, Noah Penda of the Orlando Magic, getting all these rookie cards. Then we have Miles Turner of the Indiana Pacers, SGA for the Oklahoma City Thunder, Denny, Avdija, I think it is, Avdija, there, of the Trailblazers. And our final card is Elijah Martin, rookie card there of the Toronto Raptors. Don't think we got any of the Raptors in the Hobby Mega Box. Also managed to get via the Fanatics web page, which is weird because tops were sold out, the value boxes. So I've got 4 of them on its way. So look forward to opening them up. So we start off with Jalen Green of the Rockets, Ron Holland II, the Detroit Pistons, Domantas Sabonis of the Sacramento Kings, Emmanuel Quickley of the Toronto Raptors. See, I say we don't get any Raptors and then we'll then get tons of them. Bradley Beal of Phoenix Suns, Cam Thomas of the Brooklyn Nets. Again, they're not exactly having a great time either, like the Mavericks. Quinton Post of the Golden State Warriors. A backwards card of Derek White. Don't know what that means. Let's see when we turn it over. There we go. So that's one of our exclusive. What were they under as? That was one of the exclusive glitter holiday parallels there. So yep, you can feel the glitter there. So that's our first one. And we'll just put at the back there. Then we end this pack with Tyrese Haliburton of the Pacers, and then Brandon Williams of the Dallas Mavericks. So 2 packs in. Pack number 3, and we start off with Kristaps Porzingis of Boston Celtics, Keontae George of the Utah Jazz, Trae Young of the Atlanta Hawks, Jaren Jackson Jr. of the Memphis Grizzlies, Jalen Williams of the Oklahoma City Thunder, Bashir Fleming, a rookie card for the Phoenix Suns, Michael Porter Jr. of the Denver Beaver Nuggets, the Stephen Castle, hopefully that is more than just the holiday glitter. Let's have a look. It feels like the holiday glitter, and it is. Stephen Castle, holiday glitter there. NBA All-Star Rookie Team 2024-25, and we'll stick that there. Oh, I didn't even realise that it's actually... Oh, sorry, talking rubbish. Anyway, so we have Josh Giddey of the Chicago Bulls. And to end, we have also Iguodala of the Phoenix Suns. So the way the light is, it looks like that looks like a patch card, but it isn't. It's just the All-Star Rookie badge that was on there. So, here we go. Blake Powell, rookie card with Brooklyn Nets. Max Strus of the Cavs, Cleveland Cavs. Jeremiah Fears of the New Orleans Pelicans. My Team the Heat with Nikola Jovic. There's our first Cooper flag that we got in either the normal or festive, so that's our first Cooper flag rookie card. So we'll stick that in at the back. Then we have LaMelo Ball for the Hornets, Charlotte. Yves Messi of the Pelicans. Looks like our next glitter. Yep, and it is of Devin Booker. A blue style one. The other two were grey. Let's put that to the back. And then we end this pack with Grady Dick of the Raptors, and then Dalton Knecht of the LA Lakers. So we're almost at the halfway point. So these cost £45. Don't know if I said it at the beginning, but they did cost £95. And we start off with the Ant-Man, Anthony Edwards, the Timberwolves, the Kings of Clifford, rookie card there of the Kings, Anthony Simons there of the Portland, is it Trailblazers? Yep. Chaz Lanier, rookie card there of the Detroit Pistons. Zaire Williams of the Brooklyn Nets. Draymond Green of the Golden State Warriors. Miles McBride of the New York Knicks. The Will Riley, looks like it's glitter, and it is a blue one there, rookie card. And then we end with Karl Anthony Towns of the Knicks and Nicholas Batum of the LA Clippers. So that's us halfway through. Wonder if we get any numbered or autos. We start off this pack with Zubac of the LA Clippers, Nikola Vucevic of the Chicago Bulls, DeMar DeRozan of the Sacramento Kings, Andrew Nembhard of the Indiana Pacers, Jabari Smith Jr. of the Rockets, Tyler Hero of My Team the Miami Heat, a base Stephon Castle there for the Spurs. Then we'll have no doubt our glitter card, will it be? No. Yep. It's Nicholas Batum. There's Clippers, got him at the beginning of the pack. So we're almost getting one per pack there. End with Derek White of the Celtics, and then Steph Curry of the Golden State Warriors. So we've got 4 more packs to go. We start off with Franz Wagner of the Magic, Colin Murphy-Boyles, rookie card of the Toronto Raptors, Jamil Murray of the Denver Nuggets, Gasparis Canonis, or Yaku Konis. Rookie card there of the Heat. The Heat! SGA for OKC. And then we have a Yannick Conan Niederhauser, rookie card there of the LA Clippers. Tajane Shalon there of the Charlotte Hornets. Apologies if I butchered his name. We have Cat on the, looks like the glitter. Yep. Silver one there, or grey one should I say. And then we end this pack with Malik Beasley of the Pistons and Kyrie Irving of the Mavericks. So we've got 3 more packs to go. Kind of hoping with a mega box you tend to pull like an autograph or at least a numbered card. So here's hoping that these 3 packs produce something. But we start off with Spurs with the Darren Fox, Zakaria Risaka of the Atlanta Hawks, Desmond Bain of the Grizzlies, AJ Green of the Bucks, so that's our first Bucks card, Ja Morant, or as I like to call him, GA Morant of the Grizzlies, Jaden Ivey of the Detroit Pistons, Klay Thompson of the Mavericks. Here is our next Hooliday glitter of Tyler Hero. Yep, in silver, or grey should I say. And then we end with Donovan Mitchell of the Cavaliers and VJ Edgecombe of the Philadelphia 76ers rookie card. So we've got 2 more packs to go. And we start off with Jonathan Mogul of the Toronto Raptors, Ray Hachimura of the LA Lakers, Jalen Brunson of the New York Knicks, and we have Leonard, Kawhi Leonard of the Clippers, Byler Sherman of the Boston Celtics, Isaiah Collier of the Utah Jazz, Paul George of the Philadelphia 76ers. Then we have Dalton Connect, which looks like our glitter card, which is another grey one. Then we end with Bilal Coulibaly, and then the Spurs of Carter Bryant rookie card. So on to our final pack. And we start off with, some would call him the GOAT, some wouldn't, because obviously you've got Bird and Jordan, etc. There's LeBron James, let's call him the King. Then we have Quentin Grimes with the 76ers. Our first, well, the first for me anyway, a Bronny James Jr. So we put him beside his dad. Dad and son. Alright son. Hi Bob. Then we have Ashura Thompson of the Pistons. Anthony Davis of the Mavericks. Bucks of Damian Lillard. Tongue twister there. Tari Eason of the Rockets. Then we'll have probably our last glitter one there of Jabari Smith Jr. and Spot On, another grey one. Then we have Naz Reid of Timberwolves, and then we end overall with Jace Richardson, rookie card of the Orlando Magic. So there you go, that was the Topps Holiday Mega Box for the NBA. Probably scored this 6 out of 10, although we got the holiday exclusive glitter cards there. Which you can see, as well as our first Cooper flag, that was a base one. We didn't actually get any numbered cards or any autos, so although we got this blue shiny, and that one's kind of like a teal on it. Yeah, it was just a bit meh. I was expecting a bit more from it, but who knows, maybe the second box will produce something of note. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Help me get to my goal of at least 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye for now. Goodbye.